I'm Rosalind Utley-Moore and I'm the Poo Fairy. So who better to talk to you about poo than me? Now you all know, and if you don't know, constipation kills. I've got some questions for you today and I want you to answer them at your own time, because these are really going to be relevant to how your health is monitored by how often you poo. So that's number one question. How often are you using your bowels? Is it daily? Is it weekly? Monthly? Hourly? Ask yourself that question. How long are you spending on the toilet when you go? Are you just taking a magazine, or are you taking a full copy of War and Peace, or do you just sit effortlessly and do your business and get out of there as fast as you can? The most important thing you can do when you do visit the loo is to look behind, because you need to know exactly what you are eliminating, because that's one of the most vital signs that you can have of what's going on the inside. So is your poo really hard and tough to get out? Is little rabbit droppings? Or is it squirty and farty and stinky and smelly? Look, I know there's few people that are going to talk to you like this, but you really need to look behind, because they're the signs of your health right there in the toilet bowl. The other really vital part of looking behind is if there's any blood. If there's any blood in the toilet bowl, or whether there's blood on the paper. Those signs will alert you that something is going on, and you really must get that checked out by a medical doctor. Do not let that sign go for one moment. Having a daily bowel movement or using your bowels every day is the most important message that you're going to get about what's going on the inside. Whether you're digesting your food properly and whether there's undigested food particles still left in your poo. Take a look and see what you can see. Parasites. Now we've done a full video on parasites, so you may actually see some floating little eggs when you look behind, or you may even see some full-blown wriggling worms. So don't be afraid. Look behind. If you're interested in your health at all, then get down that toilet bowl and have a really good look. Eliminating daily is essential to your full whole body's health, because if you're not pooing every day properly, and that's a nice soft formed poo that's probably about a foot long, if you're doing anything less than that, you're not doing enough, and you're not eliminating enough toxins from your body. That's number one. You're not clearing up your lymphatic system or allowing that to drain properly, and you are definitely impacting on your immune system. So my message today is pretty simple. Look behind. Make sure that your bowel movement is a beautiful, healthy, fluffy floater about 12 inches long, and get that whole body eliminating properly. Your health depends upon it. Loving life, pooing every day. Well, I hope you've really enjoyed this video and my little piece of paradise. So why not give it the thumbs up and click on subscribe so you can get regular updates, and why not leave me a comment while you're there.